Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WooCommerce for store automation strategy, full guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into your WooCommerce store, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL of your WordPress website. Add /wp-admin at the end of the URL and press enter. You will be taken to the WordPress login page. Here, enter your username or email associated with your WordPress account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Once your information is filled in, click on the Login button. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate the WooCommerce option. Click on WooCommerce to access the WooCommerce settings. From here, you can manage various aspects of your store. To automate your store, navigate to the Settings tab under WooCommerce. In the settings, explore options like payments, shipping, and general settings. You can integrate plugins for enhanced automation. Consider tools for inventory management, order processing, and marketing automation. Install necessary plugins by going to the Plugins section in the dashboard. Click on Add New and search for the desired automation tools. Install and activate the plugins you choose. Once activated, configure each plugin according to your business needs. Regularly check for updates on your plugins to ensure optimal performance. For detailed insights, explore the Reports section in WooCommerce. Use the reports to analyze sales, customer data, and inventory levels. This information will help refine your automation strategy over time. Keep testing different automation strategies to find what works best for your store. With consistent login and management, your store will thrive efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.